In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a members area on Wix Studio. If you're looking to enhance your website with a personalized space for your visitors, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and get started. Begin by navigating to the Wix website. If you haven't done so already, head over to your browser and type in wix.com. Once you're there, you'll need to either create a new account or log in to your existing Wix account. This is a simple step, but it's vital to ensure you have access to all the tools you need. Now that you've logged in, you'll want to open your existing project if you have one, or if you're starting fresh, you can create a new site. When you do this, Wix provides a user-friendly environment that makes building your site straightforward and intuitive. Whether it's a brand new site or a project you've been working on, having your project open and accessible is key. Locate the Add Apps option. This is usually fairly prominent on the Wix dashboard. When you click Add Apps, you're opening up a universe of possibilities to enhance your website's functionality. It's a little like adding extensions to your browser, allowing you to tailor your site to suit your specific needs. In the app market, go ahead and search for Wix Members Area. This app is exactly what you need to set up a space where your visitors can sign in, access exclusive content, and interact with your site in a more personal way. Simply click Add when you find it, and Wix will take care of the rest. It integrates seamlessly into your site, so you can rest assured that you're getting a quality tool. With the members area added, it's time for customization. This is where you can really make the space your own. Consider what you want your members to experience. You can customize the member pages based on your preference, tailoring the design, layout, and content to fit your brand and meet the needs of your community. Take your time with this. It's one of the most important steps to ensure your members are engaged and satisfied. After tailoring the member pages to your liking, click Preview. This is your chance to see how everything looks and functions before going live. Use this opportunity to navigate through the members area as if you were a user. Check that everything is working as intended and looks just right. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to share it with the world. Click on Publish, and just like that, your website now features a members area. Your visitors can now enjoy the new, personalized space you've created just for them. And there you have it. A fully functional members area added to your Wix Studio site in just a few minutes. Happy site building!